Chairman of the Diabetes Fiji, Mr. Tabish Akbar, and Diabetes Fiji board members, Dr. Ismaili Tukana, the Fiji National Advisor on Non-Communicable Diseases, Dr. Eddie McKay, Professor, the heads of departments from the Ministry of Health and Medical Services, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to you all. I'm deeply honored to join you at the conclusion of your two-day National Diabetes Food Care Symposium. Now, I'm listening to Professor McKay. You've obviously had a very busy and fruitful couple of days. Well done, everybody. As Fiji's lead advocate and champion in the campaign to eliminate NCDs, I'm choosing to personally participate whenever it is practically possible in any event that will help Fiji as a nation to improve our health and our well-being. I have had a look at your program and noted that you have had an absolutely packed 2 days, as we've heard. You've had the opportunity to share much information, both scientific, in nature, and practical experiences from various medical subdivisions right throughout the country. I'm keen on hearing resolutions on the way forward in improving the quality of life of our people living with diabetes. Professor McKay, I look forward to receiving the resolutions as you promised. As a Latin poet, Marcus Marcellius said, and I quote, "Life is not merely being alive, but being well," unquote. How true. Our national statistics reveal that 15% of our adult population has diabetes. That's sad, alarming, and worrying. And that a lower limb amputation occurs every 8 hours as a result of uncontrolled infection due to poorly controlled diabetes. Very worrying. This is equivalent to 3 lower limb amputations per day. For a country like Fiji, that's a lot. Statistics also reveal that diabetes, eye disease, is worse in adults who did not know that they had diabetes compared to those who knew they had diabetes. These figures are alarmingly high, as I mentioned, yet this is the reality, the sad reality in this country. And in the Pacific, I might add. The 3 leading causes of mortality and disability in Fiji are ischemic heart diseases, diabetes, and stroke, as you know. These are NCDs that can be prevented through modifying our lifestyles through a healthy diet, exercising daily for a minimum of about 30 minutes, quitting smoking, cutting down on alcohol and guano consumption, and having enough sleep. To all the symposium participants, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to encourage you to continue to work with passion and dedication, not only in treating patients, but more importantly, in promoting a healthy lifestyle. I would like to thank Mr. Akbar and your team at the Diabetes for having a shared vision in combating NCDs. We can improve diabetes outcomes, and we can improve our people's quality of life in our lifetime through our actions. Talking of action, I wish to congratulate Mr. Petero Divanideva, one of Fiji's Rugby League heroes, and his foundation for organizing a race, a 5-kilometer dash for diabetes, which he has told me will take place tomorrow. I had the honor and privilege of meeting Petero this morning. And for your information, ladies and gentlemen, I have a team from my office. Sadly, I can't join them, but my ADC will be leading our team in that race tomorrow. This is a race against diabetes. It is a race for health and wellness, and I fully support such an initiative. I'm also advised that the Fijian party team will also be represented tomorrow. Again, I had the honor and pleasure and the privilege of receiving Ret'd this morning. What a fine bunch of fit-looking young men. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe that we have so much information about diabetes and all the diseases that are part of the NCDs. What we need now is concrete action. Measurable action by all stakeholders concerned, including especially every single Fijian. Only then we will be able to make some headway into eliminating all forms of NCDs, and only then we will be able to achieve a healthier nation. I thank the Diabetes Foundation once again and the Ministry of Health and Medical Services for organizing this symposium. I now look forward to the implementation of the outcomes of your deliberations. Once again, thank you. Navalevu, Dhanyavad, and may God bless our beloved nation Fiji. May God bless you all. Thank you.